The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power passenger seat, backup camera, navigation package, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.